Hello everybody, Steve here, and what I have for you today is this really weather worn and missing key Master Lock M5. So the story behind this is I was at my I was with my wife at her mom's house the other day, and we were doing something in the back, and I saw this hanging on the fence in the backyard, open, and it was open, just sitting there hanging there on the fence. There was another chain there nearby and stuff like that, but this was just hanging there. And obviously, by the looks of it, you can tell it's been out in the weather for a long time. And I'd say it's probably been out there for years. It's been out there for many years. It's been out there for a long time. And so I guess you could say this is going to be a challenge in years in the making. And I kind of figured, well, it would be kind of fun to bring this in and play around with it and see if we can get it open. So the only thing I've done is I pulled it off the fence and I kind of wiggled it, but I haven't locked it up. And you can tell that it's very rusty and stuff like that. So I figured, well, this will make a good challenge to kind of have a little bit of fun today and see if we can get this locked. So lock this up and then see if we can get it open, even though it's been out in the weather and it's already making my hands dirty. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to spray some Houdini in there, some lock Houdini in there, and kind of clean it up, or just spray some in there and kind of clean it up a little bit. One tip I have before I start: when you're putting the straw into the can, don't have the straw pointing towards you as you're putting it in. I got on my shirt, dang it. Anyway, so I'm just going to spray some of this in there. Kind of work it in there a little bit just to make sure that it's not all stiff and everything. Just kind of work it in with a rake or something like that. Just kind of make sure it's not as stiff or anything like that. Hopefully that will clean it up good enough so we can play around and see what's going on. Have a little bit of fun with this today. So just a fun little challenge. And we're locking it up. There it is. Did lock up okay. And if I put a tension wrench, it kind of looks like the core is moving. So hopefully that will be okay. I don't know if we can rake it open. I'm not the best raker, so I don't know if I can do this or not, but anyway. So, it sounded like I got it quite a bit set. Maybe the other rake I have will do that work. It'd be kind of funny if I get it raked open right at the beginning. There, I did rake it open. I'm not even a good raker. Ugh. Yeah, that's really stiff. Well, that was quick. Let's try to single pin pick it now. And of course, this is a regular Master Lock number M5. I have another one right here that's brand new. But they are 4-pin locks. Just little 4-pinners, so let's try to single pin pick it now. That's kind of fun, exciting to get it raked open. We'll see how good it works as single pin picking. So bottom of the keyway for my tension, and just a little short hook with a flat tip from Jimmy Long's. My standard go-to for Master Locks. Let's see, I don't feel anything on 1. 2 is nothing. 3, nothing. 4, working under that. Oh, I feel a click there. Nothing else. Go back to 1. So I did say I don't have a key for this, so I have no idea what's in there. I was just hoping it would work. And I can tell it's stiff. Let's release a little bit of tension, so maybe that might do the trick. So pin 1. Don't really feel much love on that one. Pin 2. Feels like a little give. Pin 3. Feels like that's set. Pin 4 feels like that's set. So maybe it's just pin 1. Really tough there. Go through this thing. Well, at least I know I did get an open with the rake. Okay. I can feel all kinds of crunching, but I think it's more dirt than anything else. Maybe that's a higher lift one on that one. I don't know. Seems like if it did rake open that easy, it's probably more of a flatter bitting, I would think. Or maybe all the pins were just stuck. It sounds like it's working. Maybe I had something overset. Let's go through it again. Start at the back this time. Just because you can rake something doesn't mean you can single pin pick it sometimes. Felt like I got a click out of the pin 4 pretty quick. Nothing on 3. 2, that felt like it clicked. 1, 2. Three. That's kind of weird. Let's spray a little bit more stuff in there. Okay. It loosened up a little bit more. Look at how dirty that thing is. There we go. Yeah, if I can rake it again, that would be kind of funny too. Was it this rake I did it with, or was it the other one? There we go. I just raked it open again. There we go. Let me try single pin picking it again. That's frustrating. Frustrating, I can't. Oh, anyway. I think it's awesome that I raked it. Let me put it that way. Don't get frustrated if you have a success. If you get an open's an open, right? Good click out of that one. Okay, I'm just kind of working through nothing. I felt like I had a little bit of core movement there. maybe I'm making some progress. Another good click there. Another good click there. Okay, so what's hanging me up now? Come on, guy. Oh, 10 minutes, 11 minutes already? Holy moly. I don't want to give up yet, but it's already after 10 minutes. Still not open. Man, it's being a bugger. Well, I don't know what to say. Yeah, my raking technique is just hope and pray. That'd be kind of funny if I got to open a third time with raking. Feels like it's got a lot looser now, so it should. I'm feeling some pretty good clicks. Maybe I just have too much tension. I don't know. There we go. Woo! We finally did it. Golly. It is open. See? It's open. There we go. There we go. So, that was a lot of fun. Nice little challenge. And, so this lock has been sitting on that fence for years. Now my hands are all dirty. A little bit of spray, and we raked it open twice, and we finally got it picked open. Woo! So anyway, thank you very much for putting up with me for almost 15 minutes. That was fun though. That was kind of a fun little challenge to see if it would work. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed and you leave a like, and definitely leave comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.